The Tao came forth as the One. The One became the Two. The Two produced the Three. And the Three became all that we call life. All things have yin and yang, or negative and positive charges. Harmony comes from the blended balance of these forces. Most people dislike being alone, but evolved ones embrace aloneness, for within solitude they develop a relationship with the whole. This is an example of how some focus on loss, while others can see the gain. And when some profit greatly, their gain can become a loss if it creates jealousy or resentment. As well, those who are violent will reap the result of their violent actions. Too much of anything can begin the movement of its counterbalance.